Lulu, breakfast ain't over yet. Here you go. I never had one of these. Lulu, these are good. Lulu, try these. Oh, nice couch to sit on. You're dirty. I should have bathed you. You're a pig, though. You're a pig. They can understand.
Good. That sounds good. I'm alert of what you have for
Okay.
the food store.
Well, I will say it's a lot easier to give the goats it than the pigs. That's for sure.
Nope.
Just eat it, dude. Just eat it, please. I'm being attacked. What is going on, Cuffros? Welcome back to another video. Today, well, you see behind me, the pool has come a long way since the last time I grabbed this camera. Again, if you're not familiar, we're building a pool in the backyard. We're also filming it from the very start to the very end, so you guys will see a full build of this at some point. I just kind of threw out the videos recently. I've just been teasing it. Anyway, to start the video off today, before we get into the whole vet thing with Lulu. Hector!
Amigo!
I didn't know Hector was here.
Oh yeah, man.
We're actually getting rid of this stand and the table here and the couch and everything because we want to put more ponds. We need more space, all right? I already got this one, we got to build this pond. So in order to do that, I do still want a TV. So we got a TV mount and we're gonna mount it right here. And as you can see, Hector is putting the wood in so that we can mount it above a pond that we plan to build. Yeah, you heard me here, folks. We're gonna build another pond down there for our Fly River, the Fly River turtle that's over here. Snoop, I think we named it a while back. We're also hanging our KFC banner today right above the reef pond. If y'all don't know about this pond, my goodness, have you missed a lot, but this is my pride and joy right here. This pond is awesome. Everything looks really, really good in here. Not only this pond, but of course, our fish that we have in here. Check this out. Just this morning, I had the jack fully eating with our sharks, so they all were eating together. It was awesome.
The colors are just insane on that fish. Yo, dude, he's about to bite my finger. That's crazy. I've never done it right here before. Just let it all sink and watch him just go crazy. So cool. This is one heck of a pond, man. Beautiful colors. I love it.
The fish tank looks awesome. Check out the little yellow tang. Come on, you were out the whole time. I'm starting to film. There he is. Oh, all right. Anyway, we got two little clowns Tommy brought over. Along with that, we got two cleaner shrimp. There's shrimp right there. A bunch of these little tiny, tiny fish. Even little tiny gobies like this in the corner. But this is just a Kickstarter. We got some snails in here, some inverts and stuff like that. The little yellow tangers are really our only big fish along with our clowns, but bigger fish at least. The tank is running though, it's flowing, it looks good. We're just getting started. I just wanted to update you guys on the inside tank. More to come on this soon. It's been like 4 days since I got the jack and he's already eating, and it's just an incredible fish to have at the farm. I'm so happy with it, and as you can see, him eating, the sharks are good, the puffer fish, everything is really, really good in this pond, so no worries there. Soon to have some more freed up space right here where we're gonna do some really cool projects. This whole building is as crazy as this to say, it's just getting started. I mean, we're taking out all the filtration today as well, getting rid of all our old filtration back here that's been sitting for weeks, and it'll be open and ready for us to put the new ones in, as well as paint this pond and get the sharks in here. Like I said, building is just getting started. I'll stop talking though and head back outside. Oh, it's quite the dip there, because tile is going in right here, so tile around the whole entire pool. There'll be this white tile, and that is why this blue paint is there. It's all gonna be tile. So lots of good news inside the building. It's been awesome. Now, a little bit of the opposite news. Lulu, girl, you are skinny. So Lulu has been eating just fine, but she is a little bit skinny, and I personally think I need to take her to the vet. So today's task is take my pet pig to the vet. Before we head out to the vet just yet, everyone else at the farm is doing amazing. King, stop that. Rick and Morty, hey buddies. What's going on, fellas? Holy smokes, don't fall in there. That is one heck of a ditch. Check that out. My goodness, 3 feet deep, 36 inches deep. We got the pool plumbing too. You know, I can have a full reality TV show on the amount of things that go on at this place on a daily basis. Yesterday, there was like 13 people working at the house. That's crazy. On another note though, it's time to get Lulu over to the vet. Lulu, hey, Lulu, I'm gonna need to borrow you from your entire family for just a little bit, okay? All right, let's go.
Lulu's the greatest pig ever. She literally just, you put her bowl of food back there and she'll leave you alone till the bowl of food's empty, put it that way. And I'm taking her to the vet right now. We have a 10 o'clock appointment, so we're heading there now. Usually I have the vet come out to me, but she actually
my vet that usually comes out to me just retired. So congratulations to her. Unfortunately, I don't have a vet now, so I gotta find another one. A lot of the stuff nowadays I do on my own, other than the hoof trimming and stuff. But yeah, Lulu is just looking a bit skinny. Now, a lot of female pigs after the age of 6, they tend to get cancer. I'm fingers crossed, hopefully that's not the case. You just never know. And obviously Mother Nature's gonna take its course, so if that is the case, it's part of the plan, I guess. But Lulu is the OG. She's the original one, the one that started it all. So I'm a little bit nervous, but she's a good girl back there. I'm just worried about the fact that she's skinny. You really just never know. So when they look like this, I just like to take extra precaution. Take them to the vet. The vet will do everything they possibly can and figure out why she's skinny. I want to see her all fattened up again. So that's the goal for today. We're taking my pig to the vet. I don't think I've made a video bringing my pig to the vet, maybe once before. So this is new for you Cuffaros. We're going to the vet together with a pet pig in the back. She's eating a bowl of food right now, so she's completely distracted. But I'll see you there. Oh my goodness. Life's been crazy. I got so much going on, I came to this appointment 1 hour early. The appointment's at 11 a.m., not 10 a.m. So Lulu, you finish your food. We still got an hour until we can even get in there. So I think that the game plan is, Lulu, we're gonna go get some breakfast together. All right, we're making a full trip out of this, I guess. What else am I supposed to do? I got an hour to kill with you, girl. An hour to kill with a pot-bellied pig in the back. This is quite an interesting situation here. It's a great Monday morning. We have made it, Lulu, to your favorite breakfast spot. Can I do the French toast sticks?
Yeah.
Home style?
4 or 6?
6, please. That's for me. And then, yes, can I also do a bacon, egg, and cheese on an English muffin, please? Or without the bacon, though.
Oh, you want the sausage?
Yeah, sausage, egg, and cheese is good.
McMuffin?
Sausage pig? Yeah, on a McMuffin, that's fine.
Right.
I don't know if sausage is a pig. I don't know. Oh, that's it.
12.60, thank you.
Yep. Oh my goodness. I gotta look this up real quick. How did I not know? Lulu, you might be eating an ancestor right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, I'm just gonna feed you it. I already bought it. Thank you. It's funny too because I'm sitting here with all the food. We just got all the breakfast and look who smells it. Do you smell it, Lulu? Dude, this is the greatest thing ever, taking a pig to the vet. I should do it more often. Not gonna lie though, these French toast sticks look good. Fresh, never frozen, you know how Wendy's does it. Lulu girl, I hope sausage isn't pig. Cause I tell you what, you're about to eat an ancestor, I'm telling you. Ancestor, I'm telling you. I swear I didn't know it was. This thing was pretty good. Let's dissect here. You smell it, I know. There you go, bud. There you go. Oh, down goes the bread. Breakfast, Sammy. Now, Lulu, this is going to be a good one. Oh! Woo! Well, there goes the breakfast sandwich for Lulu. Lulu, breakfast ain't over yet. Here you go. I never had one of these. Lulu, these are good. Lulu, try these. They're pretty good, right? They're pretty good. French toast is very good. Wendy's? Wendy's goes crazy. All right. Why are you grinding over there? You know, I'm bringing you in here because you're skinny. You're gonna be like a big old pot belly by the time I get you in there, and they're gonna be like, what do you mean skinny? Listen, I apologize, but I just gave her 17 pounds of Wendy's, so she might be quite fat now. Anyway, hope you enjoyed breakfast with Lulu, the pig, who's now grinding her teeth. And PC here. Back to the vet. We're just gonna hang out in the parking lot for another 45 minutes and get Lulu in there. So I decided, since it's raining, we just take Lulu to the preserve down here and let her just kind of get some sniffs in, smell around a little bit. We got 30 minutes to kill, so I'll let her kind of just do her thing over here. These are the plants right here. I've always wanted to get these. They're called palmettos. I actually tried planting a bunch way back and the pigs just destroy them before they can grow, but they get really big. Like that. See that palmetto forest out there? Those are all them. And the pigs like make burrows in them. I would love to do that for my pigs at home. But unfortunately, they kill them before they can get big enough. If I plant this in my pig enclosure, this will not last. They'll destroy that, flatten it completely. So once they learn to not do that, then I could do it eventually. I just gotta find where I can get some big ones. Some big old mamas like this right here. Some of those, that size.
That would be ideal. See how big they get? Like that. If I can get them this big, I could plant them all in the enclosures. I would love to do that. Make it some greenery. Lulu, are you hiding under the truck? You don't like the rain? Look at that belly. You got a lot of breakfast in there. All right, see you later. You know, Lulu, this works perfect because if you decide to run, there's caging at the bottom of this fence, so you only can get out of one spot, and that's right there. If you guys think I should take Lulu, or honestly any of my animals, I took a goat to the pet store one time, but if you think I should do more of that, let me know in the comments down below which animal you want to see me take out into the public, and where to. Comment down below. I'll do it. Come on. She's so smart. She wouldn't move at all, and I told her to come here, and she came right over here. There you go. There you go, Lulu. She didn't really care to roam around much. Not gonna lie. Thought she'd want you a little bit more. She didn't even touch the grass.
I love you and enjoy it, okay?
All right, thank you. Oh. Lulu, go, we made it. We got a nice couch to sit on. You're dirty. I should have bathed you. You're a pig, though. You're a pig. They can understand. Hey, Lulu. She's like, what?
I would definitely say let's get a stool sample on her.
She tucks right up onto me.
Good. Heart sounds good. Any change in how she's eating?
She eats like crazy. She'll eat until she can't eat anymore. Okay. Which is good.
So not dropping food or
nope.
Salivating more than normal?
Nope, not at all. She's just skinny. I don't.
Yeah.
That's the only thing. And I'll take her to the side, let all the other pigs eat, and just feed her herself.
Okay.
Almost every day, if not every day. And she doesn't fatten up.
Okay.
So that's why I took her here. I was like, you know what? I just gotta see.
Eyes look good. They're all gone.
So best thing for me is stool sample.
Yep.
And then do another thing of dewormer.
Yep.
And then from there I'd be able to see if she's improving at all.
And feed her separate so that we know she's not getting pushed out of the way.
Which I do.
Yeah.
So, there's nothing you can give me today to put in her food at all, or no? For like, who knows, help with the parasites that could be in there. Who knows what the problem is.
There's so many different that I can certainly send a broad spectrum dewormer if you don't have one at home.
I have stuff at the house.
Yeah, if you have it at home, it's probably similar to what you have from the feed stores. And then we'll check a stool sample and see if there's anything that we need to look at.
It gives you the rundown right there. I just filmed it all, so I didn't even need to explain it. But yeah, I guess the next thing is we're just gonna get stool samples, which is poop. Gotta get a sample of her poop. I gotta make sure it's her. So I'll just keep an eye out for that. Give her another thing of dewormer, and then fingers crossed, hopefully that fattens her up. Go from there. Like she said, worst case scenario, we bring the pig back in, sedate her, take blood work. You and your problems at the vet. It's the only pig I've ever brought to the vet. Knock on wood. Oh, we're back home where your family's at, buddy. He's so good. Everyone at the vet said that Lulu is so well behaved. Every pig screams. Lulu? She don't care, bro. She's the best. She lived in the house for 2 years. Lulu? Oh, that is a task, taking a pig to the vet. Hopefully Lulu goes poop. Hey, Lulu, drop a number dose for me, please. On another note, great day with the pig. I got Wendy's. All right, fellas, it is the next day. It's a day later. I attempted to get stool samples. I'm just gonna go ahead and deworm her. So I'm gonna deworm all the pigs, but specifically on camera, Lulu. This is what you use right here. Bubba's gonna be really easy to deworm. As you can tell, he's ready to eat the bread already. See that? He's gonna be really easy to deworm. I'm gonna deworm all the pigs right now. Bubba, come here. Come here. Oh my gosh. Well, whatever one eats it gets dewormed, so there you go.
That one's dewormed.
Twisty is dewormed. Most importantly though, Lulu. Gotta deworm Lulu right now. Just, that's literally all you need right there. Now I gotta wait about 3 weeks until good girl. Super easy, pigs are the best. Now I gotta wait about 3 weeks until I do take a stool sample because I wanna allow the dewormer to go through, and hopefully that helps, because what it could be is quite possibly have just some parasites and not allowing Lulu to get nice and fat. These animals are all dewormed schedulally, but sometimes, you know, it gets worse for certain pigs than others, so we're taking precaution. The vet told me to do exactly what I'm doing. We're just gonna deworm everyone, see how it goes. If it doesn't go as planned with that, then we go in and take blood work and see if she has cancer and go any further, which we hope we don't have to do. Pray in the comments down below. Lulu, come here, girl. You did such a good job, you know that? You did such a good job. Well, I will say it's a lot easier to give the goats it than the pigs. That's for sure.
I've got every single goat besides Oscar and Emmy. Oscar and Emmy are the only two. Nope. Just eat it, dude. Just eat it, please. I'm being attacked. Dude, they eat it like it's cream cheese. The other ones that took it down literally like the taste of it. I can't get these two to eat. No, it's a dewormer there for big old Coon. The last thing to deworm. Zero hesitation to eat from that one. Zero, it's gone. Gone forever. And that right there is how you deworm the entire farm. We actually ended up making a good useful day out of this.
What's going on?
Max is over here working on the pool.
Yes, sir.
We're getting things done around here, all right, folks? That is officially all I've got for you guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Definitely like a farm video more than anything, but there's always things to do here at the farm, and there's always things going on here at the farm. Make sure you subscribe down below so you don't miss any of the content and amazing projects to come. Smash the like button as well while you're down there, and I'll see you right back here in the very next video. Peace out.